This tutorial will teach you how to do a slipped stitch band. This is a favorite of mine. I use this a lot when I design because I just think it gives a great little defined edge, a little color pop, and it's interesting and fun to do, and it's very easy to do. But I thought I'd do a little tutorial in case you've never tried it before. So what I've done here is I've cast on my amount of stitches that I need that are designated, and I've purled the first round. And that's typical in the patterns that I design, that you're actually not knitting the first round, you're purling the first round. So now we've let the main color drop. You're just not going to use the main color at all in the next two rounds. You're going to use your contrast color. So it's time to add your contrast color in. And what I do to add color, all I do is make a loop, and I leave about a 6-inch tail so that I can weave that in. And I'm going to go into the first stitch and then just drop the loop over that right hand needle and pull it through. And that's my first stitch. Now I'm going to slip as if to purl the second stitch. Just take it off the left hand needle onto the right hand needle, and then we're going to knit the next stitch, slip one purlwise. And we're going to just continue alternating those two stitches, knitting with the orange, and then just slipping the main color, which is black, until we get all the way around to the end. So I will meet you again at the end of the round. Okay, we have worked around doing our knit one, slip one, purlwise all the way around. For the second row, we're going to do the same action, but we're going to purl instead of knit with this contrast color. So the yarn's going to come forward between the needle tips. Oops. And we're going to purl that orange. Now you're always going to be doing the same color to the same color, so you should be working your contrast color and slipping your main color. Now the only thing on the purl side is that before you slip, you have to move your yarn back before you slip. Slip, then bring the yarn forward again, purl, bring the yarn back and slip. Bring the yarn forward and purl, bring the yarn back and slip. That's the only thing you need to be careful of. If you don't move your yarn back, then you'll have another strand coming horizontally of this orange across the black. Doesn't look good. So that's all there is to it. When you get to the end of this round, you'll drop your orange, and then you'll pick up your main color again, and you will knit one round and then purl one round. And that's that slip stitch band. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this helps.